what's up guys? Long time ago, 1 week to be exact, I'm announcing my drop party. It will be tomorrow, Friday, 3 April, on my roof, with at least 10 people and VIP guests that can drop with me or get some stuff. Congrats CBU09. And yeah, if you want to join, and there will be a lot of drops, a lot of bows, swords, Protive, 2 apples, 2 gold apples, 2 prismarines, 2 sponges, and the drop party will be around 18 of Central Europe time or 17 Central European time. Around these times, so if you're online, message me to be on the exact time. And for the subscribers, I will do a separate drop party. The subscribers may join the first drop party, and the second drop party will be subscribers only. And how do I know you have subscribed? The people that I have contact a lot, they say they can prove and say what they have seen in one of the videos, the uploads, the amount of subscribers, everything can be proved, picture, and if the subscribers descend, well then, yeah, I don't know, I can fix that. So, thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys tomorrow on my roof for the drop party. See you guys!